This 50-chart presentation of Orbitz Worldwide Inc. It's a New York Stock Exchange listed company trading our ticker OWW. Orbitz is a pretty nice looking bottom play. Solid support set up just above $2. Last time it bounced off of that point, made about a 30% climb. Pulled back, held it again. Now it's trying to rise once more. Closed up on Thursday, 4.5%. Decent volume of 350,000 shares traded. You can see that was an increase over the previous days. So now I'm going to watch for this to continue to take on upward pressure and increasing volume levels, try and take out and move above this 50-day moving average. It's a real nice look in the MACD. Solid trend back towards zero. Of course, the most bullish break happens. The MACD can move its way back above zero, so people reference as breaking the money line because it's a bullish indication of trend. So you've got the PPO ADX pinch. It's a little bit offset a few months ago, but a nice upward channel happening in the PPO. Second type of pinch happened. I always want to see the ascending pinch where it's not as tight as the original first one, and then I want to see the ADX come down, which is exactly what's happening. Bullish cross happening of the positive DI starting to move through the ADX right now. Overall, it's a very nice look for a bottom play and a reversal in the chart. Also have the MFI starting to move through 50. Want to see them trending on the upper half of the indicator. Again, that's a bullish position. Accumulation distribution is starting to rise a little bit. See, that's the first time in many months it's put together any sustained upward pressure. Jake money flow is reiterating the upward pressure. With its rise back towards zero, that tells me that buying and selling pressure is about equal over the last 20 periods. CCI also continuing to make an upward path, making higher lows. Full Stode is now pushing on 50. That's a key point to move into bullish momentum. And the Trix is starting to rise back towards zero, again showing a shift in trend and some bullishness coming into the play. RSIs are also at a critical point, trying to make their way through 50. See, last time that happened, that's when the stock had substantial rise in share price. So again, I'll be looking for those long-term RSIs, the red and gold lines, make the break above 50 and hold above it. Not like through here. If they can continue to sustain holding over top of 50, that'll be showing strong bullish momentum in the play. Now the ultimate bottom support for me is down here at 207. Any sort of pullback, that would have to hold, or I'd have to walk away from this play and wait for it to set back up. Into the upside, chart's facing a little bit of resistance right there at $2.30. Approximately where it closed on Thursday, but if it can make a break through that point, I don't see resistance coming into play again until up around 260. That's a nice upside, pushing 30 cents per share, and importantly, it would put it above the 50-day moving average, which if it bumped off that level and pulled back down and found support on the 50-day, made a new higher low in that area, I'd be much more confident that 50 days is going to start to curl upward, and the candles would take another shot at trying to break through 260 to possibly meet a main area of resistance around $3. 200-day moving average is dynamic. It's coming down. It's going to reinforce that area as well over a little bit of time. But as far as looking at this as a true bottom play, those are some key spots that I'd be looking for. Overall, it's a very nice looking chart. As long as this bottom support stays intact, this chart can stay in play. Those are the type of things that I'd be looking for in the OWW chart. But as always, merely my interpretation. Thank you for watching and trade smart.